Welcome back to the shop. Today, we're performing a critical but often overlooked maintenance task, changing the differential oil for maximum vehicle longevity. The differential is responsible for transferring power to your wheels. Over time, the oil breaks down and loses its ability to protect the gears. Before we get started, let's lay out our tools. You'll need a ratchet, a socket set, a drain pan, and a fluid transfer pump. Don't forget the fresh gear oil. Always check your owner's manual for the specific weight and capacity required for your specific vehicle's make. First, we need to clean the area. Use a small brush and brake cleaner to scrub away dirt from around the fill and drain plugs. This prevents contaminants from entering the housing once the plugs are removed. Ensure the area is completely dry before proceeding to the next step. Pro tip: always remove the fill plug first. If you drain the oil and can't open the fill plug later, your vehicle will be stranded. With the fill plug safely removed, place your drain pan underneath and carefully unscrew the lower drain plug to begin the extraction process. Notice the dark, viscous gear oil flowing out? This thickness and color indicate it was time for a change to ensure smooth gear operation. While the oil drains, take a moment to inspect the magnetic drain plug. It's common to see very fine metallic dust caught on the tip. However, large metal chunks are a warning sign of internal damage. If everything looks normal, wipe the plug completely clean with a shop towel. Always install a new crush washer or sealing gasket to prevent future leaks. Hand thread the drain plug back into the housing to avoid cross-threading. Use your torque wrench to tighten the plug to the manufacturer's specific torque value. A proper seal is vital for maintaining internal pressure. Now for the best part, adding the new oil. Insert the pump nozzle into the fill hole and begin transferring the fresh fluid. The differential is full when the oil level reaches the bottom of the fill hole and begins to slowly weep out. No dipstick needed. Reinstall the fill plug and torque it down just like you did with the drain plug. Consistency ensures a leak-free job for miles to come. Finally, give the entire housing one last wipe down. A clean surface makes it easy to inspect your work during your next oil change. Maintenance complete. Your differential is now protected and ready for the road. Like and subscribe for more professional automotive repair guides.